Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Nokia 105. You might thought it's not possible on this phone, but we can go to our settings and now you need to go to security settings, go to pin code request. It's on, that's good. And now we can go to change access code, change security code or change pin code, and now you can insert your current Simpin and then your new one. All right, you want to be a bit more creative than that, verify it. Want to be a bit more creative than that to actually secure your Simpin. And now it's changed and you can go back, and if you have to unlock your SIM card again, you need to put in your new Simpin. So that's how you can change your Simpin on your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.